Making a splash with your English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of English idioms, and our spotlight is on the phrase, to make a splash. Whether you're at a social event, in the corporate world, or in the midst of a creative endeavor, understanding and using this expression can add color and depth to your communication. Let's plunge in and explore the depths of this fascinating phrase. To make a splash is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. Imagine throwing a stone into a calm pond. What happens? It creates ripples and draws attention. Similarly, when a person makes a splash, they're doing something noteworthy or attention-grabbing. It's not just about being seen. It's about being remembered. About leaving an impression that ripples through the crowd. The phrase, to make a splash, has its roots in the visual and impactful nature of the word, splash. Originally, it referred to making a literal splash in water. Over time, the term evolved to describe making a strong impression or causing a sensation, not just in water, but in any context where one's actions or presence create a noticeable impact. Let's bring this idiom to life with some examples. 1. In the business world, the young entrepreneur made a splash in the tech industry with her innovative app. 2. In social settings, wearing that bright, bold dress, she made quite a splash at the party. 3. In the arts and media, the film made a splash at the festival, receiving several awards and critical acclaim. Notice how in each context, making a splash implies standing out and leaving a memorable mark. When you use to make a splash, remember it's best suited for positive scenarios where someone is being recognized for their achievements or uniqueness. It's a versatile phrase, so feel free to incorporate it into your professional emails, casual conversations, or even in your creative writing. And that's the essence of making a splash. It's about creating waves of impact and being remembered for your actions. Whether in your personal life, your career, or your creative pursuits, don't just step in. Dive in and make a splash. We hope this video adds a splash of knowledge and confidence to your English language journey. Keep practicing, and until next time, keep making a splash with your English.